Unleash the power of automation without spending a dime. Today, we're breaking down how to run N8n completely free, opening up a world of possibilities for budget-conscious creators and organizations. First, let's talk self-hosting. Many cloud providers offer free tiers perfect for getting started with N8n. Head over to popular platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure and sign up for their free account. Remember to carefully review the terms and limitations of each free tier. Paying close attention to computing power, storage, and data transfer allowances. Next, install Docker. Docker is an amazing tool for running applications in isolated containers, which keeps everything clean and organized. Check out N8n's official documentation for detailed instructions on Docker installation based on your cloud provider's environment. You'll find the most up-to-date commands and configurations right there. Once Docker is set up, it's time to deploy N8n. Use the Docker command provided in the N8n documentation to pull the official N8n image and start your instance. Make sure to configure environment variables for data persistence. Setting up a volume to store your workflows and settings. This prevents data loss when your container restarts. Don't forget the power of the N8n community. If you run into any snags, jump into the N8n community forum. You'll find countless helpful users and developers ready to assist you with troubleshooting and best practices. Plus, explore community-built nodes to extend N8n's functionality even further. And there you have it. With a little effort and some smart choices, you can harness the full potential of N8n without breaking the bank. Now go forth and automate everything.